What sleeping position is best for sleep apnea? If you or someone you know is struggling with sleep apnea, you might be wondering if the way you sleep could be making things worse. Let's explore how your sleeping position can impact your sleep apnea. First, it's important to understand that sleep apnea can be significantly affected by the position you sleep in. Sleeping on your back, also known as the supine position, is generally not recommended for people with sleep apnea. When you sleep on your back, your tongue and soft tissues in the throat can collapse backward, which can block your airway and worsen your symptoms. In fact, studies have shown that the apnea index, which measures the number of apnea events per hour, is twice as high when sleeping on your back compared to sleeping on your side. Sleeping on your stomach is also not ideal. This position can cause strain on your neck and lower back, which can lead to discomfort and awakenings during the night. Additionally, it can put extra pressure on your airway, making it harder to breathe. So what's the best position? Side sleeping is widely recommended for people with sleep apnea. When you sleep on your side, it helps keep your airways open, allowing for unimpeded breathing throughout the night. Specifically, sleeping on your left side is often suggested as it can provide the best support for keeping your airways clear. To make side sleeping even more comfortable and effective, you can use a few simple tips. Placing a pillow between your knees can help keep your hips aligned and reduce pressure on your lower back. Using a thicker pillow or a body pillow behind your back can also provide extra support and keep you in the correct position. For some people, sleeping in an upright position can also be beneficial. This can be achieved by using multiple pillows to support your upper body, which helps avoid the effects of gravity on your airways. This position can lead to fewer breathing disruptions and higher oxygen levels in the blood, especially for those whose sleep apnea is worse when lying flat on their backs. In summary, if you have sleep apnea, the best sleeping position for you is likely on your side, particularly on your left side, or in an upright position if side sleeping is not comfortable. These positions can help reduce the severity of your symptoms and make breathing easier during the night. Always consult with your doctor to determine the best approach for your specific condition.